So as you saw in the previous sort activity, this activity has 10 systems of equations, and you're not going to solve all of them, but I think I'm assigning 6 of them. And what I want you to do with the 6 is to communicate your solution path as best you can using typed set mathematics. And I really encourage you to, it's a good skill to have, being able to type mathematics. Certainly as you prepare math in college, you'll move beyond just handwriting, especially if you're preparing docs to publish work. I have 2 spaces set up for you. One space is a place where you can type your solution, and then another space where you can type your final answer. So for this particular system, as I look at it, because y is isolated in the second equation, it's just y by itself, I'm going to use that as a substitution into the top equation. So I am going to indicate my technique. I'm just going to say using substitution, and then I'll start from there. So if I want to use substitution, I'm going to have 4, and if you are typing math, make sure this is active. So I'll use 4x and then plus 2. I'm going to open parentheses, and the point of these parentheses is to hold what y is. So y is 3x plus 1 according to the second equation, and then equals 12. So if you look closely, you can see what I have here is this is just equivalent to the top equation, but instead of using y, I've used something that I'm substituting for y, namely 3x plus 1. As I continue to the next line, if I simplified this, this would become 4x plus 6 times x plus 2. That was me distributing the 2 to the 3x and the 1. And that equals 12. Now I'm going, let me go to the new line. Now I'll collect my like terms. So I have 10x plus 2 equals 12. And I'll leave the equation, go to a new line. Now I have that 10x is 10, and then therefore x is 1. So now that I've got what x is, I'm going to skip a space, so just visually I can see that this is all about finding x from the substitution. And then I'm going to take the top equation, y is equal to 3, a place for, I want this to be formatted as math. Y is equal to 3, open paren, and then x is 1, so I'll just put the 1 in there, and then plus the 1. So now you can see I'm substituting in the value of x that I found into the second equation to solve for y, and I end up getting that y is the number 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have my solution, I know x and I know y, and I want you to type your answer here in 2 ways. If you have x and y as your variable, your solution should be typed as an ordered pair. It's always x first, comma, then y. So I do open parentheses, x, comma, and then y, close parentheses, and then you would hit submit. If this was variables other than x and y, I prefer that you type your answer alphabetically. So let's say if this was a and this was b, I'd like to see your answer as a equals 1 and b equals 4. So there's more than enough room to type that in here. So a is 1, b is 4. But again, if your variables are x and y, I would like to see your solution as an ordered pair. So for this one, you should just type 1 comma 4. Right, I understand that this is not a perfect tool, but it is a powerful tool, and you should be able to show me your method and then execute that method in the workspace and then show me your solution down below and then hit submit. All right, good luck today. This video is about 5 minutes only, so you have plenty of time to complete this activity. I'll see you again soon.